not only did Polaris come out with this new Pro-XP, but they partnered up with Rockford Fosgate. I mean, these guys are the pioneers in the stereo industry. Let's open this thing up. Let me show you real quick here. So, you know, we got our harnesses, we got everything in it that we want, but check this out. Guys, it's got Rockford Fosgate stereo in it right from the get-go. This thing is ready to go. It's got your radio, you've got all your navigation, change your display, everything you want right here. They put your tweeters up here. They put a subwoofer up under here if you want to move up to the stage 3 and stage 4 kit. This has got the starting platform that you're after. All you got to do is move it on the next step. So if you want to be the loud guy at the races, at the mud bog, whatever you're after, this is the one you want. This has got everything you need, starting platform, and then you can move it up from there. Come take a look at this thing, guys. It's pretty cool. Arlington Motorsports, Arlington, Texas. Hey, we'll see you down the road. Have some fun.